Welcome back, YouTube. Today's video we're going to talk about Hondas and alarm systems. This vehicle is 2004 Honda Pilot. When it's rainy out at night especially, this car has a nasty tendency to trip its alarm. It thinks the back hatch is open. Right now it's sunny out, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to recreate it or not, but if you get in the car, put it to the on position. Yeah, it's not going to show up, but very faintly the hatch indicator will be glowing, very faintly. Not like a door, which is very bright, but very faintly the hatch will be showing. That's how I know that it's the hatch that's open and not one of the doors. Even though I know the hatch is securely closed, the alarm is still being tripped off. And the culprit really is this guy right here. So this is the hatch latch. What happens is when it gets humid inside there or outside, car thinks that the hatch is open and sets off the alarm. So let's address that. First step, take this handle off. This is a Phillips 3 inside of here. Back with the Phillips 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the hatchback tailgate cover, and if you don't disconnect this light first, it comes ripping out with the weight of the tailgate cover. Don't ask how I know that. There's our prize. Okay. Light disconnected. Next up are these two guys here and here. These look like flatheads. They come out pretty easily. All right. Next step is the hatch itself. So these clips have a habit of breaking. That one's probably still in the roof. Yes, isn't that lovely? When you go to the junkyard, I recommend scavenging older Pilots or whatever car you have and get extras of these clips. They love to break, especially when your car or truck's 15 years old. All right, next step, we need to get our latch out. It has a few connections. This is the lock mechanism. This is the pull for the electronic locks, and this is the sensor for the lock. All right, so let's get those first. Phillips 3. These are on tight. There we have it. There's our problem child. So this is, those little marks show that it came from a junkyard. This has failed before. This is the original one. This is the new one, which lasted about a year, and I ended up opting for a brand new one from Honda. Hopefully that'll last another 14, 15 years. I need to move this locking mechanism over to the new one, but let's test the resistance on the new one versus the old one to see what kind of readings we get. On there, so I'm gonna cheat by putting a few nails down in there. Now I'll do the reading off of those instead. Yeah, that would set the alarm off probably. Here's a brand new one, Honda. This is probably also, I would expect 10 or less milliamps of resistance. There, 10 milliamps for the new one. So, let's go with that. I'm gonna get a zip tie, put that in there, a zip tie in there. Otherwise, this is a close-up. Like I was saying, go to the junkyard. Next time you go, just grab a bunch of different clips, various random clips, and keep them handy. You never know when you need another clip.